Hey guys, welcome to the new video of Theme Hunk. In this video, we will see how to add the advanced product slide add-on to a WordPress website. First, install and activate the Elemento Addons plugin on your website. Now open the page with Elementor. You can add the add-on anywhere on any page if the page is built with Elementor. Look for the advanced product slide in the Elemento Addons section. Here it is, drag the add-on and drop on the place where you want to add it. You can also search for the add-on from the search bar. Here you can select a particular category to show. Every category will appear here. You can also choose the sequence of the products. You can adjust the number of products to show along with the number of columns. You can also double rows. If you want to order the component of the product box, do so here. The slide gap adjusts the gap if you use double rows. This button helps to enable and disable the slider's autoplay. You can also change the speed and direction of the autoplay. This is an infinite loop. If you switch it off, the slider will stop after showing all products. You can add arrows and dots to control the slider. The height automatically adjusts the box height if it is used in the container. Head to the styles now. Here, separate sections are given to customize the components of the product box. Here you can change the typography, padding, margin, colors, background color, and more. The advanced settings is given to customize the full add-on. After all, save the changes and preview the site. This is our advanced product slide here. All products are being shown in the slider. You can also visit the advanced product slide page where you can see the different applications of the add-on. This is all about the advanced product slide add-on. Download from the link in the description. Thanks for watching.